Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about finding the initial amount in a word problem on continuous compound interest. So this problem says Zach wants to buy a bond that will mature to $5,500 in 6 years. How much should he pay for the bond now if it earns an interest rate of 3.5% per year, compounded continuously? Do not round any intermediate computations, round your answer to the nearest cent. So let's first take a look at this set of words, compounded continuously. Remember, if we're told that something is compounded continuously, we're going to use A equals A naught or P e to the RT. Now remember, what is A? A is your final amount. So in this case, what is it? Well, in this case, we want it to get to $5,500. So A is 5,500. What is P? P is the initial amount. And in this case, what is it? Well, how much should he pay? How much should he pay? That is the question we're trying to answer. E, we know E is just a constant number, 2.718, etc. R. What is R? R is the rate. Here we're told the interest rate is 3.5%, which in decimal form is 0.035. And then what is T? T is the time. So in this problem, let's take a look. He wants it to mature to this amount in 6 years. So T is 6. So let's go ahead and set up this equation. We have A equals P e to the RT. So we have 5,500 equals P is what we're trying to find, times E raised to the R, 0.035, times T, which is 6. So we'll get 5,500 equals P to the times E to the 0.21. Now how would we solve for P? P is just being multiplied by this E. We don't have anything added over here. So if we were to just divide both sides by E to the 0.21, then this E to the 0.21 would go to 1, and we would get P is equal to 5,500 divided by E to the 0.21. And after we approximate this on our calculators, we'll get about $4,458.21. So Zach would need to invest this much money or buy this bond for this much money in order to get out $5,500 in 6 years.